Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Life with Ro. If you are a returning subscriber, hi. If you are new to my channel, I encourage you to subscribe. I do all things beauty, lifestyle, and so much more. So excited for you guys to see this new video. It's gonna be amazing. Let's get right into it. Okay everyone, so today I am going to be reviewing a palette, and honestly it is overdue. I have had this palette for a year now. I bought it last Christmas and I just never got around to reviewing it, but this is what the palette looks like. It is the Tarte interchangeable palette. So it is actually a collector's item. You typically will find this palette around Christmas time, winter time. It's for makeup collectors. It's super cute, super pretty, and it has a lot of amazing things in here, and I'm super excited to jump into it. So we're gonna begin with the back. The back tells you everything that comes in there. It comes with a mascara, it comes with a lip gloss, and then it comes with 4 shades of eyeshadows on each component, and then it comes with 1 blush on each component. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I am going to show you guys what exactly it looks like. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so this is my favorite part. So before I get into the unboxing, I bought this, like I said, about a year ago. And so I got it actually as a Christmas gift to myself. It's around, when I bought it, it was around $30. I believe it's still around $30. I'm gonna leave the link below so you guys can check it out for yourself if you really like it. I bought it from Ulta.com, and I actually use Afterpay. Afterpay is amazing for when you are trying to, typically it's better to use when you're making large purchases. So I bought this collector's item, or this collector's kit, along with other things, and you just pay 4 installments. So upon the first payment, you pay the first payment out of 4. So there's 4 payments. I made the first payment on this one when I bought it, and then you keep making them. I believe it's bi-weekly after that. So Afterpay is awesome for, it's sort of like layaway, but you get your item instantly. It's awesome for when you're trying to save money, you're on the budget, or you're just not trying to pay the full amount up front and you want the item. It is awesome. It is so great. I highly recommend Afterpay. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into it now. The packaging is so amazing. Honestly, I think that's my favorite part of the whole palette, is the packaging. So this is what the box looks like itself. The underside and the top is this really pretty glittery iridescent lid. So I'm actually gonna jump into the bottom portion first. So the bottom portion, the way you open it is a drawer. So you pull it open, and yes, everything is in there. Now keep in mind, it is a year old, and they gave you a little lip gloss, so it's not full anymore because I have used it, but I can say this is an amazing lip gloss. I'm gonna get into the lip gloss first. So I'm gonna be reviewing the lip gloss first. So the Busy Gal lip gloss, it's so pretty. There's nothing really left, but you can kind of see it's a high shine glittery lip gloss, and I'm actually wearing it. It's not so over the top where all you see is like glitter, so it's not like super formal, but it does give you a nice pretty shine, and also gives you like a touch, like little hints of glitter. So it is eye-catching but not over the top, and I really like it. It is a bit sticky. I remember when I first used it, it was a bit kind of like a stickier, heavier consistency. So if you don't really like a stickier or like a heavy gloss that you can feel, it might not be for you, but you can definitely feel it on your lip. It's not like the lightweight, almost like the lip gloss that has like a baby oil consistency. It's not like that. It's definitely a thicker, stickier consistency, and you can see it's so pretty though, such a high shine. And you can kind of see some hints of like the shimmer. It's so pretty. And even outside of this collector's item, I would love to actually just buy the full size. I haven't researched and seen how much the full size is, or if there even is a full size, or if this is just was a bonus, because it does say bonus on the back. It's kind of hard to see, but it does say bonus on the back. It's good stuff though. I highly suggest it. It's just amazing. So we're gonna jump into this mascara. It's called the Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. It is so pretty. So I actually recently started using this, maybe like 6 months ago, and you can see my lashes literally touch my eyelid. So like I said, that was natural. So if you're looking for basically a mascara that gives you a look that comes off as if you're wearing maybe falsies or you have false eyelashes, this is the mascara to get. It is amazing. It comes in a small bonus trial size. That's the only thing about this collector's item packaging, is that most of the things are in a smaller sample size when it comes to the additional items that they gave you besides the actual eyeshadow. So amazing though. I would definitely buy it outside of the gift. It's amazing. It is long lasting. It doesn't come off easily. It's not irritating to your eye. It's really nice, and you can see it from afar, and you're not having to put so much on. Like, the application is super easy. So when you actually open it up, the bristles are more smaller, so the brush is smaller and the bristles are closer to the inner core, so it allows you to get more of the mascara actually on your eyelashes. It's amazing. I highly recommend it, whether you get the collector's item box or you just get this mascara by itself. Give it a try. You won't regret it. Okay, so the next item that you saw was actually a magnetic case. So nothing too special about this. It's just a carrier compact, and it's gonna come in handy later when I show you in the video what exactly it's for. So on the inside is your mirror, of course, and then on the bottom it tells you how to line it up. So there are magnets within this compact, and basically, if you haven't already caught on, you can literally take your palettes wherever you want to go. Your favorite color or your favorite palette, you can literally take it on the go with you, and I'll show you how it works right now. Okay, so we're gonna close up this drawer, and then we're gonna head to the top feature. The top feature comes with your mirror, of course, and then we're gonna jump straight into the actual compacts. So these colors are bold, they are amazing, and it's just so pretty. So I'm gonna start with one at a time. So this is the first one, and remember I said that this is the holiday collection, so I'm gonna name out all the names for you guys, and they are holiday themed. So the blush is Fa La 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 Lit. Then there is Blizzard, Elfed Up, Slay My Name, Button Nose, Brassy, and Sassy. So these are the colors. And as I showed you earlier, the compact that it comes with, you line it up and it's ready to go with you on the go. I mean, it's amazing. You could be able to take your favorite actual palette on the go with you. You don't have to take the entire drawer with you. I think the construction of this makeup palette box collector's item was amazing. It was well thought out. So I often will take the one that I like on the go with me, just pop it in my purse, reapply whenever I need to. It's really amazing. So this was the first one. Let's get some swatches done on this one. So here's the first one. Okay. And then we're gonna go with the next one. It's very bright, but wow. It shows up on mine. Like, there's mixed reviews of some who say it doesn't really show up, but for me, I haven't really had any issues. It's pigmented pretty great for me. Shows up pretty great. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the darker shade. I mean, such pretty neutrals. This is my go-to for my neutrals. And then this is your mixed one right here. And it's very iridescent, very bronzy, very brassy. So pretty. So that was the first one we swatched. I'm gonna jump into the next one. Okay, so the next one we're gonna be going over is this palette. Okay, so the blush name is Winter Kisses. And then it goes on to Snow Dust, Luxe, Winter and Chill, Icy, and Present. They are so pretty. It has this really cool galaxy swirl going on, and then when you apply it to your eyes, it gives you a really iridescent look. Very pretty, but subtle. It's not too bright and like in your face. So I'm gonna swatch this one. This one. This one. So pretty. And finally, last but not least, this one. So pretty. Such a pretty tone. That one's more laid back, but still really pretty. That would be my second go-to. The first one would be the neutral tones that we would see. Okay, the next one is going to be this one. The name of the blush on this one would be Winter Sage. And then it is Icicle, Sage, Garland, Winter Wish, and Treetops. So pretty. So pretty. And if you guys want to see me do a look with one of these palettes, let me know. Leave a comment below and I will do that for you guys so you guys can see how it works. Okay, so let me start the swatching. I'm gonna start with Icicle. It's a very relaxed blue. It looks like it's gonna come off really harsh, but it really doesn't. And then Sage. And then Garland. This is more iridescent, sparkly, still really, really pretty. We're gonna jump into the top one. So pretty. I mean, it just glides on. A lot of people, I have read on some of the reviews that, you know, it was a mix. It was either you really loved it or you really didn't. But for me, it shows up really, really pretty. I really loved it. And then the final shade we're going to do is this one, I believe. Yes. Look at that blue show up. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. We're gonna get into the last and final compact. Stay tuned. Okay guys, here's the last and final compact. I actually used this one for the video. You can barely see, the camera's not really doing it justice, but such a pretty palette. Okay, let me get into the swatching. So, the name of the blush is going to be 'Tis the Season. And then it is Angel Kisses, Bronzy and Bright, Sugar Dusted. And then it is Ring It In and Yuletide. These are like your basic bronze colors. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna start swatching right here. Similar to the other shades, but a little more pink. This one's your iridescent shade. You can barely see this one on me, but this is the sparkly one, like a sparklier color bronze. This is your peach color. So pretty. And then this really pretty bronze. Pretty similar to the other one, but a darker shade of more peachier tone. This one's more browns. And then the final swatch, the one that I have in my inner corner, which matches a lot more to this tone. So if you were to create a makeup look, you could always go with this darker tone for the outer side, and then you can go with either of these iridescent shades. It would look really pretty either or. But these are the tones. Again, this is that compact. So yeah, that was my unboxing review of the Tarte. I'll show you guys the box one more time. The Tarte High Performance Naturals 4 Interchangeable Palette Makeup Collectors package. Super pretty. Packaging is amazing, convenient, great for on the go. You can take your compact with you. Mascara is amazing, very voluminous. And the Busy Gal lip gloss, honestly, I'm looking for the full size version, and when I find it, I will leave the link below because you guys have to try it. It's amazing. And just in itself, this whole packaging, the way it was just made, it's just amazing. So if it's still available by the holiday season, get it for all your makeup lovers. It's an amazing kit to get started with. It's so pretty, and I highly recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you love the content, please leave a comment and let me know. If you could turn your post notifications on, that'd be amazing. That way you never miss an upload. I hope you all have an amazing and blessed week. Bye guys.